What is up, loud and proud crowd? Do I have anything on my face? I can't tell. Do I have anything on my face? No? Okay, just making sure. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Loud and Proud. It is really hard to see the screen on my camera. I'm trying to vlog here, Reagan. We're going to be doing a little bit of content with this Mordecai 12-valve build, which, by the way, the giveaway for that truck is live, and you can enter to win that truck right now as we speak. So go down into the link in the description, spend $15 or more, and you're automatically entered. Every $15 additional is another entry, of course, but $15 is just all you gotta spend and you can be entered to win this truck. So what exactly are we gonna be filming with this truck today, if you can hear me over this wind noise? Well, we need to wash it because it is absolutely filthy right now. This truck, the guy's like, it's never seen dirt, it's never seen water, like other than when it's been washed. He's like, it just needs to be kept clean. I'm like, oh dude, I'll try to keep it clean. And of course, our driveways have mud puddles everywhere and it's just so hard to keep stuff clean. But we are gonna take it, we're gonna wash it, and then we're gonna talk about a couple of things about this truck which just kind of suck. And I know, you guys are probably like, dude, you said it's awesome, it's super cool and all this stuff, and some of you guys are probably like, well, I just entered, now you're saying it sucks. No. It's not a bad thing. It's a good, bad problem. We will get into that very shortly. Time to get old Mordecai started up here. If I can get on in the truck here without keying the paint, that would be nice. There we go, here we be. I've got the jumper cables here because I need to start that first gen. Beautiful. We need to make a trip to Best Buy to buy a GoPro because I'm sick of not being able to film myself when I drive and not like have like a full cab effect, and it would be kind of nice to have that. So we're gonna try to get a GoPro, line up some stuff, and then we can get some GoPro in-cab footage for you guys. This is what we do. We do a high pressure soap all the way around to get all the main big dirt and gunk off. And then we do a spot free rinse. And then once we pull it out, or we don't have to pull it out of the bank, and then we dry it off with a microfiber towel. And that works really good for us because otherwise you still get that film, that residue on it from like rain and dirt and stuff like that. Like you might get the main gunk off, but the film and the residue of it actually sticking usually will still stay unless you get a nice wipe down of the entire truck. So we're gonna get to washing this thing right now. We are actually gonna head to Best Buy right now and pick up that GoPro, and then hopefully we can get to the main point of this video. Well, as you guys can see, we got ourselves a GoPro. And what we do with this GoPro, I'm not 100% sure, but I am actually pretty freaking excited, as long as it doesn't die here real quick. But the goal with this thing is to try to capture more like reaction videos, content where the camera needs to get in tighter spaces, like in engine bays, or driving down the road, Q&As going down the road, stuff like that. Like we want to be able to utilize the camera to pick up footage that we couldn't normally get. So that's, in the end, like what we're trying to do with it. That looks pretty good. We did just get the blue truck back here with the new GoPro. However, the GoPro freaking died. I was gonna do some in-cab footage with that thing, but it croaked on me. So we're gonna get to doing that in just a little bit here. So there goes the guys with the truck and trailer to go knock some lawns out.
Yeah, I make it look easy, but it's not that easy.
Well, you do make it look easy. I wouldn't want to do that, but that looks good though. I like the way we did that. Looks good. Looks good. Gives it like a rough finish look to it, like a nice shiny rough look to it on the letters. The number one thing that drives me crazy about this truck, The one thing that I was talking to my fiance about just the other day, and I was like, the one thing that sucks about this truck, it's so dang built and customized and perfect that there's nothing to do to it. And of course, I already told you guys in the other video, I'm like, listen, if it's a super clean truck and like it's just one that like you cannot find another one like it, I said sometimes you have to buy something built because there's just no other way around finding that same truck again that clean. Whether it's built or not, at least you have a perfectly clean truck, because in the end there are a lot of 12-valve engines. You could always put another engine in a perfectly clean truck. A good running engine in a rusted out truck isn't as valuable to me because, well, it's harder to find a perfect body, bumpers, frame, and drivetrain and all that than it is to find an engine. Like, there's a lot of 12 valves out there for sale. But anyway, so this truck, when you're looking around this truck, everything's done. Like the paint, you can see the sparkle in the sun. I mean, the paint is just awesome. There ain't nothing to do there. The frame's spotless. There's no rust. There ain't nothing to, I mean, there's nothing to do there. The wheels and tires, we are going to do the wheels and tires. Exhaust is already a straight pipe. It's a 4-inch straight pipe exhaust with an MBRP tip on it. The wheels are getting replaced, but that could be a few weeks before those get on there, because when you order American Force wheels, they actually build your set of wheels and then they ship them to you. It's not just like, hey, we've got a giant warehouse full of, you know, just a massive storage unit of wheels ready to go. There are obviously some, I'm sure, but for the most part they have to build and make those wheels specifically for your order and send them out. Other than that, there's not a whole lot that I think we're going to do to the truck. Under the hood, the truck's got compound turbos and everything's so well done. Everything runs so darn good. It's like it leaves you with nothing really to do. I mean, you can change some of the really well done work with other stuff, but that's not going to necessarily be better because it's already so well done. So that, honestly, guys, is the #1 thing that I don't like about the truck, and it's not a bad thing, but it's that I've got nothing left to do to it other than like wheels and tires, maybe to change the look appearance wise like that. But other, in terms of power, drivetrain, the transmission, I mean, everything else is like, I wouldn't change anything on it. You know what I mean? These wheels and tires are for sale. They're brand new 33 by 1250s and 20-inch XE wheels. We gotta get this truck turned around. I know, person, you're probably like, you can't do that, but I just did. So we're gonna do this, and hopefully you guys can get a good sound of this twin turbo, of this compound turbo truck. I know there wasn't really like a lot of meaty content in this. Man, this truck is just so freaking fun to drive. It really is a blast. What are some more things you want to see done with this truck? We've already got wheels on the way, American Forces, and no, for the records, I got a bunch of comments. What happened to Anthem? Did Anthem drop you? Do you not like Anthem? No, we love Anthem. I just wanted to try something different on this truck. I wanted to try putting a forged wheel on this truck. That's the only reason why I tried a set of American Force wheels. It was nothing to do with Anthem at all. Nothing happened between us and Anthem, and if I called Dave with Anthem right now, he'd be like, sure, let's work out a deal again. So yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with us, between us at all. I just wanted to try something different for this truck, being the truck that it was, and that's really all that it is. If you want this truck, go down into the link in the description, click on it, spend $15 or more, and get entered to win it, and it could be in your driveway. So just think about that. Do not take that lightly. The thing very well could be in your driveway. So think about that. Enter while you can. Thank you guys so much. Leave a fat thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, join the team, join the family, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.